What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from geeksterlabs.com, and today, guys, I got a sponsored review for a product that was sent to me from Case. And so this is their premium glass screen protector for the iPhone XS Max. And so probably one of the things that caught my eye about this product when they contacted me asking me if I wanted to review it is that I checked on their website where they sell this, and it retails for $9, so under 10 bucks for a premium glass screen shield. And not just one, but this kit actually includes 3 screen protectors in here. So that's pretty awesome in my opinion. So if something happens to the first one, maybe you messed it up while you're doing the install, or maybe one of them happens to get messed up or scratched, or you drop your phone and it cracks it, you got 2 other backups to go with. And so that's something that I thought that kind of caught my eye about it. And if you guys use my my promo code OMARXM30, you can get 30% off of that price. So you even get it for a little bit cheaper than that. And I'll have a link down below to make that really easy for you guys to find. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a demonstration of how the install goes. It should be a very straightforward install because I've done other installs before. So I'm assuming this is going to be pretty similar to that one. And then I'll go ahead and give you guys my full thoughts on what I think about the Case premium glass screen protector for the iPhone XS Max. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so here are all the items that are included inside the box. So we have our 3 screen shields right here, we have our 1 set of instructions, and we have our 3 install kits. And so now I'm going to give you guys a demonstration and show you how easy this particular kit is to install on your iPhone XS Max. So let's get to that now. Alright guys, so here are all the contents that was inside the little package. So we have our cleaning wipes, our wet cleaning wipes, dry cleaning wipes, our 3 guide stickers, our adhesive dust sticker, and then we have the actual screen shield right here, and we have an extra microfiber cleaning cloth once everything is done to do that. So I'm going to do this, guys. This is my first time doing this. I'm going to show you guys how simple this really is. I have full faith that this is not going to be a difficult process. So first thing we got to do is use the wet wipes to wipe down the screen. So that was the wet one. Now we're going to use the dry wipes to dry off what we just finished putting on here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the screen shield, and we're going to place the screen shield on top of it face down, so that way, so the adhesive is on the other side right here. So this is where the adhesive is, right on this side. So I'm going to put that face down on top of the screen and line it up to where I feel like it's pretty much going to be perfect on there. And so if you guys can tell, there is a little bit of a gap on the where the screen protector hits the phone, which is a good thing because most of the cases that we have for the iPhone XS Max, XS Max, kind of always goes around the lip on the edge of the iPhone. So I kind of like how it's not completely over the edges, because then we wouldn't be able to use it with every case that we have. So basically what we do right now is I'm going to line it up here, and then I'm going to use my 3 guide stickers to place those stickers on the front and hold it to the back of the phone. And then we're going to flip it back over, peel off the adhesive, and when we flip back on, it should line up perfectly. So let's go and do that now. Okay, so I have my 3 stickers in place. I feel like the screen shield is pretty much right in the center of it, so we're good to go. So now what we're going to do is flip this over, just slightly out of the way, like so. And so now I'm going to take the adhesive dust lifter sticker, and I'm just going to use this to pick up any dust that I might see that's been left on my iPhone. Because any dust particles that are on there, it's going to make it difficult for it to adhere to it. It's going to be like a little spot. So I actually don't see any more dust pieces on there. So I think we're good to go. Okay. So I'm going to put my dust sticker back over here in case I need to use it in a second. So now we're going to peel off the adhesive backing on the screen shield itself. Flip it over, say a little prayer, and it should line up just perfectly. So let's do that now. So peel that off. So I got my stickers in place. I'll flip this over, place it down. There we go. You see it spreading. I'm not even gonna touch it just yet. Let it do its thing. Bam! That is what you call a perfect install. I don't see any dust specks in here whatsoever. Let me not speak too soon. I'm gonna help and smooth this out a little bit on here. And I'm gonna take off the stickers and I'll show you guys a close-up of it. Okay guys, so I've used a microfiber cleaning cloth and I have to say that was a perfect install. This is the same screen shield. I didn't just like mess it up and put a second one on. This is actually the original one. Here's proof. I still got the 2 other ones right over here. So everything went pretty good. That was probably one of the quickest things I've ever done. I guess the reason why they're able to charge so little for this because it doesn't come with like a weird, crazy, complicated, lineup system or anything. Just using those lineup guide stickers really helped to make sure that it landed right on right where it's supposed to be, right in the center of the case, or the phone, I should say. But everything looks really good, really sharp. No air bubbles or anything working out there. And like I did mention to you before, it is on the slight edge of the iPhone, so it's not completely to the far edge, but I prefer that because, like I said, I have a lot of cases that will kind of curve over the edge sometimes, and sometimes it pushes the screen shield off a little bit too. So I plan on using this with the case. If you guys don't like using cases and you just want the screen shield, and you want a screen shield that provides complete full coverage, I don't know, maybe this might not be good enough for you, but for me, I think it's perfect and it works really well with me. One of the things I did notice on the box that they kind of brag about and they mention here is that it does have some scratch protection, shatterproof protection, scratch protection. So you know what? This is my wife's phone, but I feel pretty confident, so I have a pair of keys here. I'm gonna test out to make sure this is actually quite as scratch proof as it says on the thing there. So I'm gonna scratch this up a little bit to see if this was inside like one of her purse or anything like that, along with a pair of keys. So I do see a couple scratches on there, so let me see if they buff out. Oh, okay, well I thought there was some scratches, but I don't. Okay, never mind. So they weren't really there. Maybe some of my key got scratched off on there, but yeah, there was I saw something there, but now it's not there anymore. I buffed it out. So that's pretty impressive. So definitely not one of those cheaper tempered glass screen protectors that aren't going to do a good job of protecting it from scratches and things like that. And like this thing mentions, 44 pounds of impact protection, ultra clear tempered glass screen protector right there. So that's interesting. I guess I've done a couple tests to make sure that it'll hold up with that kind of damage and with that kind of being ruffled and everything. So far, everything feels nice. The texture feels exactly like the iPhone screen, so I don't think it would be a problem or it would bother you to feel like it feels like it's a different product on your iPhone screen, because the iPhone screen is so smooth and slick. And this has basically the same type of texture and feel to it. So yeah, so far I'm pretty impressed with this, especially for the price point. Like I said, guys, if you want to purchase this, I'll put my discount code down below in the description to make that easy for you guys to find. Also, I'll put a link to this product on Amazon so you guys can purchase that if you're looking for a screen shield for your iPhone XS Max. This might be something you want to check out if you don't want to spend too much money for a screen protector. So that's going to be it for me today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you click on my face. If you want to check out some of my other videos, I got 2 clips right there you can click on, and I will see you in the next video review.